Don't stop. It's time to fuel. Drop side truck. Keep it up. Finish the bottom of the pool. Time to fix the vehicle. Let's go. The crossing gate is closed. We have to wait for the train to pass. Choose the next game. Let's wash. Drop side truck. Hooray! Build your own vehicle park. That's all. We need to assemble. Drop side truck. We did it! Help the car make its way. Let's pull down the lever to complete the action and clear the road. Pull the lever down to clear the way. Keep it up. Build a formwork for the walls. Time to fix the vehicle. Let's go. The bridge is raised so that ships can pass under it. Choose the next game. Let's wash. Drop side truck. You're doing really great. Build your own vehicle park. That's all. We need to assemble. Concrete pump. Don't stop. It's time to fuel. Concrete pump. We did it! Fill the pool walls. Time to fix the vehicle. Let's go.